go on to present the award. We have Miss Erwin Fronda and Madam Kathleen Ian Alexis Jimenez. Best in swimwear is candidate number. Again, to present the award, we have Miss Erwin Fronda and Madam Kathleen Ian Alexis Jimenez. Best in swimwear is candidate number. Again, candidate number 1. Best in long gown. And after that best in long gown, we announce our top 8, and these ladies will showcase their talents, and then another long gown. Yan. Magagamit nyo ngayon yung mga iba't ibang mga gowns. Again, congratulations candidate number 1. And thank you Mr. Win and Miss Kathleen. Best in evening gown. We have Madam Gloria Castro Lopez Wu and Madam Rosalie Libitaki Sanad to present the award. Madam Rosalie Libitaki Sanad and Madam Gloria Castro Lopez Wu to present the award for our best in evening gown. And she is candidate number. Best in evening gown is candidate number. Candidate number 13. Gandang Filipina Award. Ito yung Gandang Pilipina talaga. Hindi siya Miss South Africa. Ganun ba, Techi? And to present the award for our Gandang Filipina, we have Mr. Alan Nasis and Madam Annabel Landa Hubert. On behalf of Mr. Alan Nasis, may I request Mr. Jason Mortera to present the award for our Gandang Filipina. And she is to receive a cash and a sash. Gandang Filipina Award goes to candidate number. Number 11. photogenic. To present the award, may I request Ms. Diane Tech Antimano and Mr. Shane Samuelson. Miss Photogenic is candidate number She will also be receiving a cash and a sash to be presented by Ms. Diane Tech Antimano and Mr. Shane Samuelson. We have candidate number 8. The talent presentation, the beauty, and the question and answer later. You can have another gown if you wish for those who will be selected as top 8. And then you are given how many minutes for the talent presentation? 3. Tapusin. Okay lang, tapusin na yung talent para makita natin yung highlights. Pero huwag naman abutin ng 1 hour, okay? 2 minutes? Hindi 3 minutes? Masyadong mababa naman. 3 minutes. Okay lang, ladies, okay. And then after that, talent presentation will be the question and answer. And then the announcement of winners. Our winners will be receiving 15,000 pesos, am I correct? 10,000 pesos. 7,000 pesos, 5,000 pesos, and 4,000 pesos. The rest, thank you. Tanggapin po nyo ang aming taus-pusong pasasalamat. And thank you for coming. Miss Matmat, sikat na si Matmat, pero yan, tingnan nyo, nandito siya. Nakikipagsapalaran sa palakpakan naman natin. Sino nakakakilala kay Matmat? Sino yung nanonood ng Miss Q&A? Siya yata yung kauna-unahang yung ano yun, 8 diretso? 8 araw na diretso? Si Juliana. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I think we're ready now. 5 seconds. Miss Tala and Engineer Shane Figuracion. Are you ready? Wala na naman kayong -1? Meron, okay. Please get ready. Habang nagpapalit sila, wala daw si... Okay, after na ng announcement, pag nag-prepare sila, kanta kayo. Okay. Engineer Shane Figuracion. Nandiyan ba siya? Sandali na lang, ladies. Malapit na matapos. Sabi nga, isa pa kang selfie.
Dalawa kayo, sige na.
Techi, selfie kay San Fabian. chairman.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa ating tabulating team. Led by Sir Marvin.
Miss Jinky, Sir Marvin, Miss Kyla, and the rest. Carmela, Twinkle, Sir Jackie, BJ, the very beautiful Venus. Bakit na yan?
Nandiyan pala si Venus, akala ko nasa stage.
In no particular order.
Yeah, Miss Georgina.
Miss Georgina too. Ay, let me greet pala belated happy birthday to BJ and Pot of the Damar Cats.
Nandiyan din si Miss Bayani. Hello.
Belated happy birthday. Okay, our top 8. In no particular order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. The first spot belongs to candidate number. Candidate number 8.
Next, we also have candidate number 13.
Please join them. Candidate number 12.
Spot number 4 belongs to candidate number 1.
Please join them. Maris Racal. Candidate number 3.
3 more to go. And you take the next spot, candidate number 9.
Please move forward. Candidate number 11.
And the final spot belongs to candidate number 14.
Thank you, ladies. Our top 8, please prepare for the talent presentation. You are only given 3 minutes each to perform your talent. And I will be calling you according to the number 1, 3,
8, 9,
1, 3, 8, 9,
11,
11, 12, 13, and 14.